Everybody, you all are welcome in KK Coaching Online Center. And today I am the co-teacher of KK Coaching Center, Prince over here. And today I am gonna talk about some common questions which are asked in general interviews. So I have a list of 26 questions. Today I will not discuss about all the 26 questions. Today I have written here some 5 questions which I am going to discuss with you today, which are generally asked in interview. So the first question is, it doesn't matter who you are, what have you done, what's your qualification, whichever company you are going to be hired, you will be asked these questions. And the first question is, tell me about yourself. It is generally asked because the company which is going to hire you wants to know who you really are. What do you really studied? What do you really want to do? So the first question they asked you is, tell me about yourself. When they ask you that questions, what should be your answer? Your answer should be included your name, your qualifications, from where have you had your 10th, 12th, graduations, and if you are doing masters, you can mention there. With how many marks have you have completed your 10th, you can mention there. What was your rank in 12th? With how many marks you passed graduation? And if you are in second semester of PG or BCom or MCom or any other higher education, see, you can mention there. And the next question is, what is your greatest strength? आपकी सबसे मजबूत पक्ष क्या है? अगर इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द ग्रेटेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ पुजारा, हर आदमी की कुछ स्ट्रेंथ होती है, तो उनकी ग्रेटेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ है कि वो पिच पे टिक जाते हैं दीवार की तरह. हालांकि पिछले मैच में वो नहीं टिके, टीम धराशायी हो गई और हम हार गए इंग्लैंड से. तो उनकी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है कि वो टिकते हैं, चाहे बॉल को बॉडी पे खा के, हेलमेट पे लेके, बैट से लेके वो टिकते हैं. तो उनकी सबसे बड़ी ये एडवांटेज है. और लेकिन उनकी सबसे बड़ी जो वीकनेसेस अगर हम देखेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगी कि वो तेजी से रन नहीं बना पाते हैं. इसलिए वो टेस्ट मैच में बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल है, लेकिन 2020 मैच में उन्हें कोई ऑक्शन में कोई खरीदता नहीं है. तो हर इंसान की, चाहे मैं हूं, आप हो, तो आपसे जब कंपनी पूछेगी कि व्हाट इज योर ग्रेटेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ, तो वहां पे आप अपने स्ट्रेंथ को बताओगे. इट मे बी एनीथिंग, क्रेडिबिलिटी, एडेप्टेबिलिटी, you believe in teamwork, you like challenges, you like to be challenged, you are quick learner, you are multi-potentialite, you like doing different tasks at a time. Because in this generation, in this today's era, company wants someone who can do multitask, right? So ये सारी चीजें आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. हाँ, जब आपके ग्रेटेस्ट वीकनेसेस के बारे में बात आएगी तो ये आंसर थोड़े से आपको क्लेवरली देना होगा, राइट? लाइक सम पीपल सेज दैट आई एम इमोशनल, आई डोंट हैव adaptability, but you have to mention these all things very cleverly, that yes, earlier I had lack of focus, I was not willing to work at one point or at one subject for longer time, but now I am getting rid of it. I am getting much concentration, I am working on it, and I am getting rid of it. Yes, earlier I used to think that why did I not make focus on any subject? I do not make focus or concentrate on any subject, not because I have lack of concentration, but because I like doing different things. I have different hobbies, so my mind travels from one work to different. That was the reason, and I think it's my greatest strength. So likewise आप दे सकते हो जवाब. और कंपनी, कोई भी कंपनी हो, बी इट एक्सेंचर, कॉन्सेंट्रिक्स, एमएक्स, कॉग्निजेंट, डीकैथलॉन, दे आस्क यू व्हाई डू आई हायर यू, आपको क्यों हायर करें, आपको इसका आंसर देना पड़ेगा. This was when I went for interview last month. I was asked, why should I hire you? Then, since I went for the interview of a sports goods retail giant of the world, Decathlon, so I was asked, why should I hire you? And what did I reply? Let me tell you. I replied that I should be hired because I am a sports enthusiast. I don't only play sports, I live sports. I like sports. I live for sports and I do sports for living. Apart from these, I have adaptability, credibility. I work honesty. I like taking challenges. I am multi-potentialite. I like to do different tasks at a time. These are some of the qualities which I think I have in me. I possess. That's why I should fit for the job I have applied for in your company. And I know there's a lot of things I need to learn quickly in order to boom the business. So for this, I need to be a quick learner, and I am a quick learner. So these are some of the qualities. That's why I should be hired. And last but not the least, why do you want to work here? So it's a sports retail giant. I want to work here because I love sports. I want to explore my sporting knowledge. I want to earn from sports. I love sports. These are some of the reasons. That's why I want to work here. Since I had the interview in Decathlon, so I was asked this question: why do you want to work here? So you have to be very honest. I want to work here because I love this field. I have been connected with the sports since I was child. I used to watch batsmen like Viru or Yuvraj when they made their debut in India, and I wanted to become like that. So I started playing cricket. I tried a lot. I played at club level. Still, I do play. I want to earn so that I want to work in Decathlon so that I can make some money and also keep my dream alive of playing for India one day. And I still think that one day I will play for India. I will definitely play. And with the sports, I will learn something for my livelihood, and also I can take care of my family. And in this way, I can focus on my sports. The main reason why I want to join your company is that I want to restart my cricketing career again by being employee, by earning something. That's all. So these are the 5 questions I covered today. Tomorrow I will cover the next 5 questions which are generally asked. These are common interview questions asked in interview. It doesn't matter for what company you are going for interview, you will be generally asked these questions. So if you prepare the 26 questions which I am gonna cover in 5 segments, this is the first segment of common interview questions, episode first. In episode second, third, fourth, and fifth, I will cover all the 26 questions, and I will also share you my experience when I went for the interview, what type of questions I was asked, or how did I reply. Since I love getting through interviews, I always go through interviews once or twice in a week. Still, I'm giving interview. I'm taking interview every week for the different companies. So I have some sort of experience I have gained in me. I want to share you through this channel. So that's all of the day. I have to leave for the job, or I'm about to go. My cab is about to come here. And that's all for the day, guys. And I will discuss all the remaining 20 questions in next episodes, in next 4 episodes. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. KK कोचिंग सेंटर चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऑल द बेस्ट. किसका ड्राइवर का ही है.